So ayan guys, we are here already in the park. So I think it's -1 degree today or -2. What else? Kahit sunny siya. It's very cold and make ice. So I show you the beauty of winter beauty of Bushy Park.
Good afternoon guys. Today is Thursday. So ayun, ang ganda ng weather. Tingnan niyo guys. Super sunny today. So today is Friday. Yan, ito guys ay yung Bushy Park yan. Kita nyo? Yung water. Medyo, ito water yan. Makikita ba? Yan, yan. Konti nga lang. Ano yan, yung lake yan guys. Kasi makikita dito sa bedroom window ko. Kasi winter ngayon, so walang maraming dahon, 'di ba? Kalabo ang mga puno kaya makikita. So today is I have work today guys at night. So habang hindi pa madilim, pa lang mag 2:30 in the afternoon at magandang weather, I take my kulot in the park. So makalakad-lakad din kami guys at makapag-ikot-ikot yung aking kulot na magbike siya. Kasi bahay lang talaga kami guys since school holiday, so I just go to work few then come back because 4 o'clock is already dark here. So nakagala lang kami nung before Christmas nung nagpamili kami gala doon sa Westfield. Ganun lang. Tapos mula noon hindi na kami kumala kasi hindi na ako nag-ikot-ikot, nakasama yung kulot ko kasi natatakot kami kasi hirap maglakad yan. Nakita niyo ba yan yung mga yun yung mga regalo namin sa Pasko na natanggap. At ang gagawin ko niyan, hindi naman kami makakain yan. Yung kulot ko sawa na sa chocolate. Mayroong na open naman sa sala. At gagawin ko niyan, I send back home. I send to the Kasi uuwi ako guys, plan ko umuwi ng June na mag-isa. Hindi kasama ang aking mag-ama. I'm alone to go to Philippines soon. Maybe mga June, by June. First week of June until end of June. End of the month. So, papakargo ko yan. So, iuna ko yan, yung cargo ko bago ako para hindi na hassle pag dating ko, dumating na yung box ko, di ba, nakaantay na para magbigay-bigay. So, ayan yung kulot ko. Are you excited? Wear your shoes, then you ready your bicycle. So, ayun nga, mag-ready na kami para ang talagang ganda, sunny today, but of course, it's winter, it's cold, don't expect it's warm. So, that's why you must be covered before wearing the coat. You must wear, under inside and before the jumper then coat yun kasi medyo kaya naman ang lamig ngayon guys, unlike yung first time mo pa dito sa UK ng winter, ilang mga 5 pa siguro yung suotin mo pang loob. At saka yung baba guys ngayon, syempre ilang years na ako, wala na pajama na lang, unlike nung first day ko pa, first year ay naka-tights pa ako, di ba? Ngayon wala na, na lang yung jogger na lang, under. Ang importante, naka-t-shirt ako bago bago yung ating jumper at coat. So, yan lang po guys, papakita ko sa iyo in the park. In the park. Mag-ready muna ako. Wala pa akong room to ng aking kulot guys, pero ako ang natutulog kasi hindi siya sanay matulog muna mag-isa sa ngayon kasi syempre nasanay siya, nakatabi namin siya matulog. Kaya ako muna natulog ngayon kasi pagtatabi kaming tatlo, hindi ako makatulog sa ingay ng bunganga, maghilik ang aking partner. Kaya sila mag-ama nakatabi matulog. So, pagpapasok naman kasi maaga pasok ng aking partner sa work, pag nagising yung partner ko, nagising yun ang aking kulot. So, umiiyak kasi minsan pumapasok dito sa room, single room, bed lang yung yung higaan. Kasi nga, para sa kanya naman ito, sabi niya, pasok na daw yung daddy niya sa work. So, pasok kami ulit sa kwarto nila. Tinatabihan ko siya matulog. Kasi ngayon, sa Tuesday, balik na ng school. So, 2 weeks din yung nila, holiday. So, ayan lang po guys. Get ready, see you in the park. Kasi, mag 4 o'clock, magda-dark na naman. 6, pa naman, mga 5:30. Ang alis ko dito papunta sa work, hatid ako ng partner ko. So, yan lang po guys.
So ayan guys, we are here already in the park. So I think it's -1 degree today or -2. What else? Kahit sunny siya, it's very cold and make ice. So I show you the beauty of winter beauty of Bushy Park. Yan. Against the light tayo. Kasi may araw. Iniwan na tayo ng aking kulot. Yung ice siya. Naka-shoes lang kami. I see. It's dangerous. Slippery. Ay, yun. Dulas na. Dulas. Yan ang dangerous. Mud. Grabe yung daan. Doon na yung aking kulot. Ito yung kulot ko kasi yan. Kulot ko yan. Sandrin's there. You want to go to the park? Sandrine? To the children's park there? To the big lake. Kahanpon lang tayo. Kumagala. Kumagala. Yan na. Kita na yung lake. Yan yung tunaw yung mga ice. Yan, tutunaw. Nami-melt. Careful, Sandrine. Wow. Yeah. Yung ice. Wow. Ang ice. Ice yan. Ang dulas. Hindi siya nag-ice dito. Hindi lumabas yung mga fish. Ito yung maliit na lake. Ito yung malaki. Where's the fish?
The fish?
Yung dam. Higayan. You see? Medyo malinaw ngayon. Sun yan. Ikot yung mga tao, yung may bata. Kulot. Let's go na. Huh? Hurry up. Punta daw siya ng children's park. Medyo malayo ang children's park, guys. Doon malapit sa ice. Yeah.
I accidentally fell in that water.
Yeah.
Right over there.
Where?
When we were going fishing. When we were going fishing,
Yeah.
I actually fell in the water there.
We didn't go there.
I actually fell in the water
Come on, let's go.
when we were fishing with my net.
This is the one there.
There's plenty of ducks now because they're make babies last summer. So now there are manies. Yan. Ganda na. Ganda ng ano. There's a daming ipot. Yan sila. Wow! What's the name of that? Andito na naman yung malaking ibon. Yung blue. What is the name of that bird, Nak? The horn? Huh? What the name of that bird? What? Oh, yeah.
Take a picture.
Ayun na.
Take a picture of him and send it to Daddy.
No.
Put it. Mommy, send
Ayan
it.
siya. Nag-ano yan siya, naghahunt ng mga fish.
Mommy, send
Kahit saan yung lake, guys, andyan makikita namin.
Mommy, send a picture to Daddy and send a picture to Daddy like that. Wait.
Wow. Amazing bee.
Mommy,
Hmm.
we saw that a load of times now.
Well,
We saw that like 5 times.
many times.
Yeah, like 63 times. We saw it for 63 times.
Let's go, let's go.
Look at. You love it.
Nag-a-ice yung kabilang
Hey, look at
side.
him. Look at him. He got.
There's a baby's
Mommy.
crying.
He's like a swan.
There's a bit side making ice. Come on.
Mommy, he's like a swan. You want like this?
It's really cold today. Yesterday is -1. Yeah.
Mommy,
Mm.
the blue bear like, went like this. When he was walking, went like.
Look, it's ice their side. Look, and the other side is
Oh,
it's making ice.
I want no ice skates. I wish I could ice skate.
You know, may nakalagay na ginger stay-ups. Hurry up, hurry up. Look at the ice here. Ay. Look ang ice. Grabe, katugnaw.
Let me try to break
Kita niyo yung ice, guys. Yan, ice yan. Konti lang yung water yung nasa gitna lang. Kabilaan. Yan.
No. If they were actually walking, I let her walk, but they're not.
I see.
Mommy, let me throw a rock on the ice.
Mhm.
They're both really close too.
It's
Mhm.
unbreakable.
Herself up, and she's doing it. She's trying, but she's not quite at the point where she's.
Daddy, Mommy, wait, look.
Look, the other side their lake is full, mostly ice.
Mommy, the seagull's trying to use the rock, but he can't.
Bulb now.
Yeah. The rock put in his finger. Hello,
We're here na sa children's park. There's children, guys. Few children inside. Bakit kaya nag-off yun? Against the light. Maano yung kamay ko. Yung video natin. Ilagay ko muna yung bicycle niya. So, ayan guys, we're going home na because it's already past 4. So, it's going to dark na guys. So, that's what I hate. Yan, umuyak yung isa. Ulot, she's crying because she doesn't want to go home. But it's going to dark na guys. And I have work. And that's my problem if I take her out. Especially in the park. Because she got the friend. She find a friends, other children in the park. She's not listening. Yeah. So, she's crying. She doesn't want to go home. That is my problem to her. So, I tell her she's back there. I'm not stop here, but I'm going home. So, she doesn't want. So, let her cry. Ayan, grabe. Yun yung lake. Whew, grabe, sobrang lamig guys. -1 pa yata ngayon. See you in the house. Wow, it's a sunset guys, look. Yan yung sunset. Ayan, ano na siya. Tumahan na. Tumahan ng konti-konti. Doesn't have choice because it's dark now. See, look, it's already dark, right? If you stay in the park until now, what is the fox is coming out again now. Start to coming out. And there's no light in the park, you know that. Ganda ng ano. There's a nice sunset. Look at the ice. Whoa. See how cold? Ice yan guys. Galing sa ano. Dito. Galing sa mud. So go na. Don't step on it. Because it's deep. Ice yan. That is dangerous. It's dangerous ice. That is slippery. See? Here. Look at here. Ice. That is ice. See, anywhere is ice. Because it's not rain. That is for ano. That is for the dew. Grabe. Look. Nanginginig yung kamay ko, nag-frozen guys. Frozen. Stop crying. What the? Why are you still not? So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang po yung ating video. And I need to off today because it's so frozen. Grabe, look at that sunset. Oh, very very frozen guys. My hands is very naninigas sa na. It's hard for the cold. We didn't wear gloves, and Sandrine started the flu again because she's not wearing gloves and covered the head. So very very cold. This is cause of sick if you are in cold. So that's how it is guys. It's a Bushy Park. Bushy Park. So ayun guys, thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye bye.